Meaning of defector.
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 Defector. A defector is someone who has abandoned their country, organization, or group to join another one. Usually, this term is used to refer to people who leave their home country to live in another one. Defectors often have political or ideological reasons for leaving, such as disagreements with their government's policies or beliefs. In some cases, defectors may be seeking asylum or protection from persecution. The act of defecting often carries significant risks and consequences, including legal repercussions, social isolation, and personal danger.